friends, welcome back to my channel Tech W3 Way. This is Vijay Kumar. In the previous lesson, we have to learn how to create permission set and assign permission set to particular user in Salesforce, where I give additional permission for the account object to particular user in Salesforce. In this lesson, we will be seeing an example of how to use Lightning email template and email alert in Salesforce Lightning. So follow these steps to create new email template and email alert in Salesforce. First, go to setup page of Salesforce, then search classic email template in quick find search box. Then create new template. Here is the screenshot of the Salesforce to create a new classic email template. So first search on the quick find search box classic email template. Then select classic email template. Then write a name of the email template and description, subject and email body that you want to send on email. And if you creating a new email alert, then go to the search box and search email alert. Then select new email alert to create new email alert. And here is the screenshot of the Salesforce where you will be write the name of the email alert. Then template unique name will be automatically populated. Then write the description, subject and email body. So friends, now let's jump to my Salesforce org where we will be create live demo example how to create a classic email template and how to create an email alert in Salesforce. So let's start. So friends, this is my Salesforce credential org. First go to the setup and click here. Then in the quick find search box, search classic email template. Classic email template. Select this one, classic email template. Then click here to create new email template. There are four type of options: text, HTML, custom and visual force page. So choose the type of the email template you would like to create. Now I am selecting text email template and go to next. Then this is the name of the folder available for you. Check mark this checkbox. And this is the name of the folder where you can store your email template and write the email template name. So I am writing the name of the template, contact registration template. Contact registration template. Template unique name will be automatically populated. Then write the description. Whenever contact is created and email does not blank. Then this email template will be applied. Write the name of the subject. Welcome to new registration. And write the email body. So first write hi, write the description of the email template. Welcome to registration on Tech W3 web tutorial. And in the last, thanks and regard. Thanks and regard Tech W3 web admin. And here write the name of the contact user. So this is a contact field and this is a selected field. So first select your field name. So here I am putting the name of the contact. So select here contact field, and here select your first name. So first name of the contact will be displayed on the email. This is a dynamically created merge field value which is applied to the email name. So copy the value and paste here. So contact first name will be automatically displayed on the email and save. After save the email template, you can check. So send, test and verify merge field. Click here to check email on your Gmail account. So select any of the contact. So here I am selecting first ND and check mark this checkbox, and this is the name of the email where you want to send your tested email. So w3webnet@gmail.com. This is my Gmail account, and okay. Now log in your Gmail account. And here you can see I got email from Salesforce. Welcome to new registration. Hi Andy, welcome to registration on Tech W3 Web tutorial, and thanks and regards Tech W3 Web admin. So here I create an email template and check through send, test, verify merge field. I got email on my Gmail account. Now I am creating email alert. So in the email alert, this email template will be applied. So in the quick find search box, search email alert. Select this email alert. Go to continue. This is a button to create a new email alert. There are two email alert already created. Now I am creating another one email alert. Write the name of the description. Contact email alert registration. Select object name, contact, email template. Select your email template that I created recently. If you search from here, you can select directly. So my email template name is contact registration email template. This is my contact email registration template. I selected this one, and this is a recipient. So here I am selecting user. Select Vijay Kumar user and add. So this is a mark as a true, and if you want to add another one email template, so here you can add additional email template, at least 5 email template. So here I am adding w3webnet@gmail.com and save. Here I created email alert, and in this email alert I apply email template. So the email template name is contact registration template. In the classic email template, I check email template format on my Gmail account. And from here, you can check your email template and send this email template on your email account. And here you can verify what's look like your email template. So friends, in the next lesson, we will be seeing example of how to use this classic email template and email alert on workflow rule. So see you next lesson, how to send an email alert through workflow rule. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal org to create a new classic email template and email alert in Salesforce Lightning. If you getting anything issue, write in comment box. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search TechW3 Web, then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get that is working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.